We're doing a tutorial today on Freon's Mobile Auto Geo-populate, a great new feature that allows us to capture data in our form, our Freon's Mobile Smart Form, from a GIS layer. So example here, we're going to do a form that is sidewalk inspections, and as I do a sidewalk inspection, I want several fields in my form to automatically populate with data from another GIS field. So in this example, when I go up and do a sidewalk inspection, I want parcel ID, owner name, and street address to come in from my closest parcel ID. So my end user doesn't have to waste time looking that up, typing it in, or even searching for it. So let's come into Freon's Mobile here, and we're going to show that we don't have those fields on the existing form. And let's show how to add them. I'm going to come into database resources very quickly, show you that my database I'm working with is a ArcGIS service, actually a feature service. And tables down in here are my sidewalk inspection point layer and my parcel polygon data that I'm pulling information from to automatically populate my form of my inspection. Let's go into the forms. And I have a forms built already, which you know how to do. And we're going to show how to add the auto geo-populate here. So it's our sidewalk inspection form, writing to our sidewalk inspection table, a GIS smart form in Freon's Mobile. And here are the fields right from the table in ArcGIS server that we're writing to. We haven't modified them. And we've got our GPS location here in the bottom. We're coming in here and having an accuracy requirement of 100. Let's up that because I'm indoors and I'm concerned that I'm going to get not a great GPS reading because I'm deep in an office building here. You can also hit a quick button. Let's add the GPS quick button. That's a one button click that gives me my GPS point. My geometry field is ArcGIS geometry. My satellite accuracy field is for accuracy. Let's grab a timestamp is our GPS time. These are all just fields that I put in my point shapefile. Let's hit apply. Now let's come in here and add another special field like location, pictures. We have a new one called auto geo-populate. This is not a field in the table. This is a special Freon's Mobile field. So let's go ahead and add it. It's going to put it in the bottom here. Let's come down. There it is. Let's edit that field. And we're going to now add this functionality. So we'll come in and the map resource is our ArcGIS server map resource. The layer that I'm going to search on and add data to is the parcel polygons. Okay, I'm going to buffer not 500 feet, boy, I just want something like 50 feet or 20 feet. That's how far out it searches. If it finds more than one, it'll give you a list. We're not going to use any domain values. That's another video. We'll show you how to use ArcGIS domains to automatically have them pull down. Now the import fields, as many fields as we want. So what we commented earlier, we want to bring in the parcel ID. We want to add the owner name, add. We want to bring in the mailing, not the mailing address, the property address. And there we go. Now, what field are these going to be in my form? Well, in my form, the parcel number is going to be the parcel number. The owner name is the owner. and the property address is the address. Here we go. Okay. Now, when I find 2 or 3 or more than one features, because I put a buffer of 200 feet, how do I want data listed? Well, I want to see the parcel number and probably the street address and the owner name. That's going to help me determine which is the correct record to select if I have multiple selections. I don't need the object ID, really don't. Let me come in there and add parcel ID. There we go, parcel number. Let's add that. There we go. There's our 3 records that we want. Okay, so let's add those to the list results also. I want a parcel number. So this is a list of information. So I can select the right one. We'll go parcel number and address. Property address, add. So we'll have 2 features in our list, parcel and address. And then in our results, we'll have owner, property number, address, and I think there's one more. There's, I think, city, state, zip in here, if I'm correct. Doesn't look like there is. Okay, we'll just go with those 3. Let's go ahead and hit apply. I've just set that up. So we'll hit apply. I've got that edited. Let's go ahead and apply that. And let's go look at how this looks on the Android. Now let's go ahead and turn it back on here. Zoom in here, and let's back out. And keep backing out because I need to reload this. So let's hit options and let's just save it, and that'll reload it for me. We'll log in. We'll go into this and we'll hit the new inspections, and lo and behold, we zoom to the bottom, we should have our new fields in here, and lo and behold we do. There's our GPS locate. So let's go ahead and grab our GPS. It's looking. I hope it finds it soon. It did. Wonderful. Okay, 45 meter accuracy. That's because we're indoor. Let's hit the magic auto Geo-populate we just created. It's looking for parcels. It found 3. That's because we put a pretty high number in there. You know, normally we'd put in 10 feet or so. And here's our list. So I know that I'm on 9453. So let's grab this one. It's giving me information. Santiago. Import the record, and there it went. It just imported those fields right into my form. And if it found one field, it would just automatically put that in there. So Freonce Mobile, I can do as many fields as I want. I can grab from different map layers, all about creating more accurate data out in the field and spending less time doing it. And that is unique to Freonce Mobile. You're not going to find that anywhere else. If you'd like to know how to use domain pull downs, we're going to go do another form tutorial with that, and just as powerful. Freonce Mobile.